I'm guessing you came to this video to find out how to efficiently throw a backyard chip over 200 feet, okay? You know, I claim that it flies over 200 feet, and some people say, I don't know how to throw it. Well, I'm here to give you the tutorial step-by-step on how to throw it efficiently. So you're gonna wanna grip it with your pointer and thumb. It needs to be real tight. You wanna hold it real tight and grip it, okay? Then you wanna step back, okay? You wanna put your elbow into your waist. That is very important, okay? And then when you throw it, you wanna make sure to flick your wrist. It's all about the flick of the wrist, the flick of the wrist. So tuck elbow in, crow hop, and these things fly over 200 feet. Watch. Crow hop, elbow in, boom. Sling them, sling them, sling them. So I'm gonna show you from top to bottom, full process. Grip it tight, okay? Elbow in, crow hop, flick your wrist. Whoop. And these things fly, holy moly. I don't even know how far that went. That must have been 300 feet. One last time for everyone at home. This is the grip, this is the grip. Elbow in, crow hop, flick your wrist. And that is how you efficiently throw the backyard chip, guys. Go to the description below, get yourself one. We'll have a discount code just for you. And guys, tell your friends. They're insanely fun, I promise you. Let's go, baby. Woo!